Good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well in your studies and the other activities you are engaged in this lockdown period. Today is story time and I will tell you a story. The name of the story is A Vegetable Seller. Let us now get into the village of Toripur. Okay? Now come with me. Now we are entering the village Toripur. Okay? And now in the village, a man named Vishwanath was a vegetable seller. He used to sell vegetables, but now he is not in a position to sell vegetables. Why? Because now he has grown old. One day he thought that why not I appoint a person who can sell vegetables for me? A man named Ram Mohan came to Vishwanath. He agreed to sell vegetables on behalf of Vishwanath. And slowly he became a famous vegetable seller of that village. But he was not polite. He was a man with rude nature. He used to talk very badly, rudely to the people who used to come to buy vegetables from him, especially people who do not have money, much money. One morning, a poor lady and a man visited this vegetable seller and asked vegetables from him. But Ram Mohan said, "Do you have money? How much money do you have?" The old lady said, "I have just 5 rupees. Ram Mohan got angry and said that, "Are you making fool of me? You people are good for nothing. Just go from here." And days passed away. One morning, a poor lady asked vegetables from Ram Mohan. As usual, he started shouting. As this lady was very poor, she was not having money. He again shouted at that lady and shunned him out from that place. That poor lady was very sad, and he thought to complain everything she faced today to buy vegetables from Ram Mohan. She complained about the behavior of Ram Mohan. Mukhya got angry and he went to Vishwanath and said that your person, this Ram Mohan, is a misbehaved man. He misbehaved with all the villagers who are having less money. Vishwanath was ashamed and he took the job of Ram Mohan and shunned him out of the village. He stopped his vegetable selling work, and after a few days, what happened? One day, Ram Mohan came back to Vishwanath and he felt sorry and he requested him to give back his job of selling vegetables. But Vishwanath scolded him and he said that you are good for nothing. You are just wasting my time, dear Ram Mohan. Ram Mohan realized that he used to speak the same way to the poor people of the village. He misbehaved the same. He apologized to Vishwanath and said that we should not be harsh to people. Please forgive me. I have realized that if we are bad to anyone, it comes back to us. So, dear children, now you must have realized that we should not be harsh to anyone. We should be very polite to people we meet in our life. And God is watching everything we do in our life, and it will come back to us if we misbehave with our friends, with our parents, or anyone we meet in our life. So, hope you all have liked this story of Vishwanath and Ram Mohan and realized that we should not be bad to people. Whatever we say, that comes back to us. If we are good to people, अगर हम अच्छे हैं लोगों के लिए, तो हमारे लिए भी लोग अच्छे होंगे. और अगर हम बुरे काम करेंगे, बुरी तरह बात करेंगे लोगों के साथ, तो वो वापस हमारे ऊपर ही आएगा. इसलिए हमें हमेशा अच्छी बातें करनी चाहिए, कटु बात नहीं करनी चाहिए. ओके, so we'll finish up with this story now. Bye bye.